Hello and welcome back. I've come back here to the workshop today just to do a few things to tidy up the engine before I can kind of fully assemble it again. So I'm going to be doing some painting of some kind of pieces that are a bit rusty and clean them up, along with just kind of general workshop tidying because it's gotten very messy over the last couple of weeks. So yeah, stay tuned and hope you enjoy this one. So I was just sanding this side and I've noticed there's a hole here, which is great. So if it isn't already clear with this project, I'm not going for a show car kind of look at the end of this. It just needs to be good enough to daily drive and be reliable. So whilst I wait for the other parts to dry, I'm going to put the head back onto the engine, which is exciting. I can only do one because the other one is broken currently, but that's okay. So yeah, watch me try and not screw it up. I've discovered a slight issue, and that is this bolt right here, one of the studs, is interfering with the cam lobes here. So I'm going to have to adjust that and file it back. I think this engine seems to just love metal filings for some reason. Maybe it doesn't want to be fixed, or it just likes giving me a challenge, but yeah, it never ceases to continue to give me more things to do and more things to fix. So the little stud there that's at the back is now interfering with the heat shield, which is quite annoying. That stud actually was too long and just was a random stud in the set, but it looks like I'm going to have to cut it down again, so yet more metal filings. Yeah, my mechanic did warn me about that, and I think they just got the wrong stud in the packet, so I'm going to try and chop it off with a file. This might take a while, but yeah, let's just see how it goes. Victory! Yes! Car fixed. Okay, it's not perfect, but that's as close as it's gonna get, basically. So that concludes another day working on the Bug's engine once again. I've been pretty successful with putting one of the heads on. I still need to wait for the other head to arrive in the mail, which will hopefully take a couple of days, and then I'll be able to do the other side too. So far it's been pretty straightforward, and apart from the little filing that I had to do on 2 of those bolts, it's been alright. Good learning experience, and looks like this engine's going to run pretty well, hopefully, once it's back together. So yeah, see you in the next one.